Dreamlight.
Oh my goodness, now that one's large. It is real large. We will have to wonder what's in there. I like this fella.
It's got this. It's excessive toy. Holy cow.
What is that?
What in the world? Look at these plates.
What is that?
Hot Wheels trap.
Holy moly. Look, it's got 3 lanes and you can race 10 cars.
How do they get rolling?
I don't know. We'll have to get it out of the box and see.
Oh, look at that guy crash happy. How do the cars crash?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe if they're going so fast, they crash. You think?
Probably.
Let's kill a car.
What are you doing, Jack?